Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Niley!
Ayan, so for today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang introduction video ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024 at papanoorin natin ang introduction video ni Jasmine Omay of Tarlac Province, ang nag-iisang bigas na hindi nakaka-omay.
Ay, wow!
Jasmine Omay.
Jasmine Rice. Ay, wow.
Ooh, drama.
Cinematography.
Oh my gosh.
Dear little Jasmine, how are you? I'm doing well. Actually, I'm getting ready to conquer the world. Since our first pageant, things have changed. You didn't expect to be a beauty queen,
Yung production, ha?
For an insecure child like you, would you have ever thought that we would be in the limelight doing hosting and commercial, just like how we practiced them in front of the mirror? By the way, we're also a private pilot, touching the sky we once gazed upon with wonder. Thank you for never giving up. I can say that this is ours for the taking. So go out there and conquer every step with kindness and compassion. Trust me, you will be exceptional. Love, Jasmine.
Ganda. Jollibee. Jollibee na old. Nakita mo si Jollibee? Hindi mo nakita si Jollibee. Ano si Jollibee?
You will be exceptional. Love, Jasmine.
Ay, lumang-luma na yung kulay. Hindi, pero ganda ng creative.
Ganda ng production, ganda ng writing, ganda ng cinematography. Galing nila.
Inano niya tayo doon, nirupol niya tayo. Talk to your old self, younger self.
Yes.
Parang ganun. Pero ang ganda ng pagkagawa and sobrang ano din naman si ate. Like, minsan ka lang makakita ng babae na pilot, beauty queen pa. Di ba? Kaabang-abang din naman talaga. Ang galing niya na rin talagang magsalita. Like, the voice over was perfect. It was on point. Wala na akong masabi. Like, you know, hindi talaga siya nakaka-omay si Justin.
Grabe. So, ano siguro 2 words. High-end. Yun lang.
Ganun.
Oo. High-end. High-end ng production. High-end ng... Ang galing lang nung gumana sila nag-come up with makeup.
Nag-aabangan mo talaga, no?
1 minute lang ha, di ba? So, what would you put in 1 minute na video para maging long-lasting impression siya?
And ito talaga, ang daming ganap. Pero, maganda.
Tahi.
Oo, maganda yung pagkakatahi niya. Talagang wala siyang tas-tas. Oo. So, hey guys, and thank you so much. At sinamahan niyo nung kayo sa nagdaang reaction video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So, keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!